What is going on YouTube? And I'm back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have a crap ton of stuff to discuss. I mean a ton of stuff to discuss in today's episode. Obviously, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP. We're also going to be paying attention to DueDEX as well as the current coin market cap. As you guys know, if you've been paying any sort of bit of attention to the market, you would know that we have been skyrocketing in price. Literally, Bitcoin exploded through its resistance that we've been watching, literally breaking through its $44 resistance, shooting all the way up to $50. Bitcoin breaking through its $7,800 resistance, shooting all the way up to $9,000. And then we have Ethereum, which broke through its resistance, shooting up to $218, and lastly XRP exploding through 20 cents, ultimately retesting its 23-cent resistance. This is absolutely incredible, guys. The market is exploding as we've been predicting and discussing on the episode and the channel. So there's a ton of information I do want to discuss with you guys. I know you guys are curious as to whether you should be buying long or selling short, taking profits. All these questions will be answered in today's video. So without further ado, let's jump into today's episode. Make sure you are subscribed, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So before I begin, a couple announcements I'd like to make. A huge shout out to everybody supporting the channel. We're now at 14.9k subscribers, literally less than 100 subs away from 15,000. With that information, we do have just 2 days left in the Crypto Influencers Crypto TV $200 Bitcoin giveaway. Literally 2 days left. You have up to 5 ways to enter the giveaway. It is completely free to enter. So if you haven't already, we only have about 1,200 people that entered the giveaway, which, you know, is quite a bit, but with the 14,000 people on the channel, it should be much higher. Literally, it is completely free to sign up. It doesn't make sense why you wouldn't want to enter. It's free Bitcoin, free $200. That's a lot to get into and a lot to win. So definitely make sure you click that link in the description and enter the giveaway. Otherwise, I wanted, if you guys have been following any of my other pages, Patreon, Facebook, or even my YouTube, some of the links I've been posting on my page, that there's this thing going on within my college. As you guys know, this is my last year at my school, and then I will be graduating completely. So what the school did was they created a bracket, basically who you could nominate for whoever would represent the graduating class. So I was actually chosen as one of the people to represent the class. So right now it's in a competition with another person, and all you guys have to do is literally click me on the Instagram page. I'll post a link in the description where all you'd have to do is, you know, go on your Instagram, click the link, and then you would just click my name, and that will help me win the raffle. Right now I'm down a little bit, so I'm really counting on you guys to show your support and help me win this raffle. The link is in the description, and I would really appreciate it if you guys just took the 2 seconds out of your day to go vote for me. Otherwise, let's move on into today's episode, because I know you guys have a ton of questions to ask. So obviously, if I go right over to the current coin market cap, give a quick refresh, because as we know, yesterday, this is yesterday's charts, we have been trading sideways. And as we've discussed in all of my videos, when consolidation happens, it usually tends to see a big break. Now, refreshing the page, the market is literally up in double digits, practically every single cryptocurrency. This is just the beginning. So we do have a ton to discuss. And if we look on the channel, you'll see the past 2 days I was discussing it's happening and why the price is exploding, and clearly that is exactly happening. So yesterday I did make a fairly bearish video. I understand that, but we still had parameters set up to profit in our DueDEX account. So we discussed, and I specifically mentioned in yesterday's video, that there would be a resistance at $7,800. I specifically said this, and I said to set up 2 positions in your DueDEX or on, you know, Binance or whatever exchange you use. I prefer DueDEX because we have the option short. Now, I said if we break 7,800, and I said set up a buy-in closer to 7,900, and I showed this in yesterday's video, a limit order on DueDEX that will fill the second we break bullish. Obviously, that is exactly what happened, and we broke bullish, and I am, you know, capitalizing off a ton of money right now. I'm going to sell off, and I'm going to be making a couple $100. So it was very easy, very quick to do. Obviously, we also discussed on the other end to set up a position closer to $7,600 or 76.50, when if we did decide to break bearish, the short would enter and we would capitalize off the small movement and then see the massive eruption. Regardless of the fact, we discussed in yesterday's video that the consolidation we have been seeing usually ends in a very big, prominent, explosive move in volume. This is exactly what I was talking about. This is exactly what I was talking about. We had a ton of negative comments the past couple of days, as we know. And I pretty much said that you guys have to be patient. If you wait, this is the moneymaker that we've been waiting for. So literally, yes, we've had a couple days, if not a week or two of consolidation, but it always ends in some sort of aggressive volume. And now that we know we can buy long and sell short, we can capitalize off this trade. So if you guys want to profit off of the moves that I'm making, just like here, consider signing up for DueDEX and using the short and leverage tools to basically capitalize off this market, because I was only trading around, as we said in yesterday's video, with about $6,000 in notional value leverage trading. Bought long, as you guys know, on my Patreon, I discussed all this. If you guys wanted to capitalize off this market, as I tipped off everybody on my Patreon last night before all this happened, and even this morning, you guys would have been prepared for the massive rally that we're seeing right now as we head up to $9,000. Now, as you guys know, it's fairly early, so the next thing you can do if you haven't sold off right now is consider moving your stop loss up just a little bit higher. So as we know, we broke through the bullish move of $7,800, that resistance, and obviously I pretty much just moved my buy-in position a little bit higher. As we know, we're currently about to hit the resistance of $9,000. You can see it's right here as we're hitting this. This is a good chance to sell off and take some profits. I know I am. I'm a conservative trader. This is money. This is the good time to sell off. I have about half a Bitcoin in profit, all in all, from trading off of the past couple of days, and now it's time to basically capitalize, liquidate, and get some fiat money. That's the whole point of these trades. So obviously I'm going to sell off right here because I do think we're going to hit a resistance at 9,000. The 4 hour is extremely overbought, and even the daily is now currently overbought, so it doesn't make sense to play around in this high risk area. If you guys want to, you can move your stop loss up maybe to $8,800, and then if we fall below there, you'll be liquidated out and you will obviously keep your profit. So I highly recommend taking profit now. That's what I'm doing. Moves like this, it's what we've been tracking. We've been tracking this literally since March. We've corrected our scale, and this was the pump. This massive amount of freaking volume has literally been a huge profit and has paid off all of the wait time that we had. This is about a 16% jump in the price, and this is a great opportunity to make money. We were very risky on here, but we said setting up a limit order that would only fill if we broke $7,800. We moved it up to play it conservative at $79. So we've literally made profit from $79 all the way up to $8,900. So it's $1,000 in profit, and because we leverage trade it, I'm looking at about $1,000 in profit all in all. We were using it at about 6,000, but we leverage traded it 10 times. So I'd say maybe $800 to $1,000 in profit. It's pretty crazy what you can do with leverage trading. So I highly recommend you check out DueDEX too. It's a great opportunity to make profit off of here using these tools. I've explained it in all my videos, and I strongly support it. So check out that link in the description. Sign up. You don't want to be missing out on these runs anymore, because this is what we what I'm into crypto for these massive movements. Litecoin, as we know, we saw the ton of uncertainty in the market. We saw this uncertain trading right here. We knew that the big volume was coming, as we discussed in yesterday's video. It was just a matter of deciding whether it was going to break bullish or bearish. Even though I was slightly more bearish, I still set that conservative play, playing it closer to about $46. That would be the buy-in, and if we broke bullish, we would shoot up exponentially high. That's what we did. As we know, and as I've discussed in every single video, every time we break below our middle moving averages, every time we break below here, we always, and I mean always, come back to the middle moving average. It happens, and it always will happen. So it's pretty obvious. When you've been in the market for almost 3 years now, you kind of pick up on these things, and I just like to give you guys this information. I do the work for you, so you don't have to. All you got to do is watch these 10-minute videos and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much what I've been discussing. So there's huge profits. This is a great day to celebrate, and once again, my way of giving back is opening up this crypto influencers $200 Bitcoin giveaway. I'm literally giving it away for free. I'll do a live drawing in the next couple of days. In literally 2 days, we'll go on live, we'll figure out who's the winner, and I will DM them and I'll send them their money. Otherwise, some crazy stuff has been happening, but that pretty much wraps up the video. As you know, XRP has been doing astronomical. It has been doing amazing. Yes, it is overbought, starting to get there. You can see we're starting to wick down. Yeah, we do have 6 hours left in the market, so I really don't advise pulling out all of your money just yet. Literally just move your stop loss all the way up a little bit higher. If we fall below it, at least you made some profit. You made quite a bit of profit, and if we pump higher, then you're good to go to continue to move your stop loss up higher. But that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video, guys. Like I said, I really would appreciate it if you went onto the link that I posted. Show your support. Literally just vote for me easy. It takes literally 2 seconds of your time. And remember to take advantage of the Crypto Influencers giveaway. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial, and yeah, I will see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.